So today we'll show different stages of stroke recovery, and we'll basically try to show you how different patients have different progressions also. ज़रूरी नहीं है stroke में या जब एक साइड लगवा लग जाता है तो you have one type of progression या one type of symptoms. तो आपका treatment भी अलग अलग progressions के हिसाब से अलग अलग चलना चाहिए. As you can see in this patient, beautiful weight bearing in both the legs. He is able to shift his weight also, maintain the stability of the trunk as well. So this is a very good recovery when it comes to his ability to transfer weights, his ability to coordinate movements in complex motions also. Let me show you next patient. So for this case, I'll be using a TheraBand again in the other hand, and we will be taking. So as I want more progression in the shoulder, पैर खोल लीजिए थोड़ा सा, पैर खोल लीजिए. So she is a little more leaning to the right. इस तरफ shift करो. I have to make sure that she's taking the weight, making sure that that weight bearing is also not going to affect the motions of the hand. इससे भी खींचो. 8 9 10. So your mobility, whatever mobility that we have, is to be used and is to be made sure कि वो utilize हो रही हो. Body सीधी रखिए. No. At the same time, we could have a case in which the patient has very less symptoms to begin with. The sir came to us like 4-5 days back, and he hardly had any affection. So ज़रूरी नहीं है stroke आया है तो पूरा ही paralysis हो जाएगा. ज़रूरी नहीं है आपका progression उस तरह का होगा. तो ये therapist has to take care that उसका treatment line इस तरह का रहे कि patient को उसके हिसाब से treatment मिल सके. He doesn't need a lot of passive movements. It doesn't even need anything to do with joint movements or वो passive stretches नहीं करवाने. He has to do activities, stretches. That is what we are doing here. So I hope with this video we can give you an idea how we have different neuro patients at our clinic, and we basically go for more practical approach, individualized approach for our neuro patients. Thank you.